Hi, welcome to the Pentart Playbook. This is where I'm going to show you all about the different Pentart products. I'm Shannon, and I am from Pick & Boots Vintage. Let's get started. Pentart Spray Varnish. The Pentart Spray Varnish is a water-based semi-gloss finish that comes in a handy spray bottle. It's designed for easy application, especially when you have projects kind of like this that are intricate, or it might not be as easy to brush on because when you're brushing, you're going to get the varnish kind of stuck in these little crevices. So they have something called the Varnish Mist. Okay, it's a spray varnish. Now, what you need to do is make sure it's clean, dust-free, which I just looked it over. There's no dust. There's no grease or anything on this project that I did. What you want to do is you want to shake the bottle. You want to ensure that the varnish is thoroughly mixed. Then you want to hold the bottle about 8 to 12 inches away, which you can't really get on the camera here, but I'm going to hold it 8 to 12 inches away. And then you want to just spray a nice, even coat. Then you just let that dry. Now, some pro tips for this varnish is to keep a consistent distance and use a steady hand while you're spraying. You want to make sure that you don't get any drips. And then you always want to spray the varnish in a well-ventilated area because you want to try to avoid inhaling the fumes. But this spray varnish is an excellent alternative to the brushed-on ones, especially when you have delicate or intricate patterns where you don't want any drips to form.